This problem is for black to kill this white group on the corner. The first thing black should try is to reduce white's eye space. And once black plays here, it's pretty obvious that there is a weakness in white's shape, and that is this potential for the cutting point. But of course, black can't cut like this. Well, black can play this clamping move, forcing white to connect here. And now this eye space already seems pretty small. And by playing at number 5, black can kill this white group already, because the largest eye space white can get is here. And now black can play this. And this will not be a seki or mutual life, because eventually black can make a pyramid 4 shape to kill white. Or if white plays here, this will either be a pyramid 4, or black will be able to win this race to capture, because there are only 2 mutual liberties instead of 3. This liberty at the 1-1 point only belongs to black, not white. So after 1, 3, and 5, black already succeeds. Of course, there's also this move, which is a good move to learn. When white plays here, black pushes, white blocks, and now all black needs to do is to make sure that white cannot build 2 eyes here on the corner. And black can either play this, this, or this. So black has 3 choices for number 5 in this scenario to succeed. And of course, if white were to play, white would play here at 19B and the 2-1 point to make a living shape. What's notable here is that white cannot make a real eye out of black's number 1, right? Black can play the net move to contain white, so white cannot easily escape from black's enclosure. So overall, the takeaway, pretty simple. Reduce white's eye space, play this clamping move, which is white's weakness, and now already white does not have enough eye space. Alternatively, black can also reduce white's eye space by playing here on the first line, like this. So make sure you learn all the good moves that black can make in this pattern, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.